Accelerate, okay? After your brain will want you to play the pass.
You can see in training today, there's a lot of competition, everyone wants to play, but this has been the same here for the last 3 or 4 weeks. You know, we're at the business end of the season. We know that every point now feels like it's worth more. It's not. Ultimately, points in match day 1 are worth the same as match day 25, but it feels like it's worth more now.
It's about tactical preparation, physical preparation, mental preparation. We take it as the challenge. Look, they are the reigning champions. They are leading the league. So for us, is the challenge to succeed and to maybe to prepare something for them. And Derby never has the favorite team. There is no underdog or favorite team. So it's the always 50-50, 11v11. It's a fight. It's a big game. So we need to be ready, and they will be also ready. And let's see who will be better.
Na hii ni game kubwa. Ya mimi kama striker, mimi main job yangu tu ni kufunga, na mimi nikipata chance mimi nitafunga, na ni game kubwa, itatupea 3 points, na hiyo ndio kazi yangu.